Faster than a Tesla. Today, I'm finally giving you guys an update on my Tesla Model 3 seat covers. Before we get started, I'd like to thank one of today's sponsors for this video, Currently. The Currently EV Charging Delivery app delivers charging to your EV, whether you're at home, the office, or really wherever you want to. No more wasted time driving to a charging station or waiting in line to charge. Simply download the app and you can schedule when and where you want to charge your car. They'll take care of the rest. You don't even have to be at your car. Currently is great for those who can't charge at home and really don't want to wait around at a charging station while your car is charging. Even those with home charging are getting Currently for that peace of mind. Starting at just $4.99 a month, Currently has several charging plans to make charging convenient and affordable for all types of drivers. The app is just easy to use and incredibly convenient. Download the Currently app and get charged today. Because Tesla viewers get 30 days of free charging delivered anywhere, just use the promo code BecauseTesla. Currently is now operating out of Los Angeles, San Francisco, San Jose, and Dallas. Other markets coming soon. You'll be hearing a lot more about Currently in the coming weeks, so stay tuned. So back in November of 2000, I installed these seat covers. Looks like the factory seats, not the factory seats. These are seat covers and they look amazing. So a lot of you guys have been wanting to know how have they held up over the past year and a half. I've got an update for you. There's some good news, some bad news, and some more good news. Let's get into it. So these are the seat covers that I got from TAPTES. It comes with a kit that comes with a center console armrest cover, comes with the front seats and the back seats. You can tell they're seat covers if you look close enough here. It doesn't look factory when you look up at the places where it joins together. Also, it's got perforation in the middle of the seat, which the factory seats of the Model 3 do not have. Same with the back seats. There is an insert for the middle part that zips up on both sides, but I have it removed because my kids use the cup holders there. So how is it held up? Is it easy to clean? What does it look like now? Let me show you the pros and cons. This is the passenger seat, and I'll be honest, I have not really cleaned these a whole lot in the past year. I just barely wipe them down, just gently, just to make sure they're not dirty, But I do not scrub on these, and what I will admit to is that these seat covers have better stain resistance than the factory seats from Tesla. I do not have any blue jean transfer at all on these white seat covers. That was a concern because I know it was an issue with the factory seats, not an issue with these seat covers. They resist the blue jean transfer a lot better than the factory seats. So that's the good news. No blue jean transfer on these white seat covers. The bad news though is that I do have some wear issues on the driver's seat only. And let me show you what that's looking like. So this is the only bad news about my experience is that I've got some peeling here. It's not punctured through, it's just the top layer is just peeling off. And this, I think, is due to me sitting down and, my wallet's in my back pocket is just going to be kind of rubbing on this because when you sit down, you spin your legs over to get into a driving position. And just that motion of sitting down and spinning is probably what's causing this peeling here. Also, I left some of this dirt and grime here just to show you that I have not been cleaning this regularly. I will go ahead and clean this and show you how easy it is to clean up. You could use just water and a microfiber or baby wipes. I detail my cars with Chemical Guys, so this is a new one from them, Inner Clean. It's done a pretty good job so far. Any of their interior cleaning chemicals works good though. So remember I said there was some good news, some bad news, and then some more good news? Well, the good news first was that there's minimal blue gene transfer. There are some, but you have to just wipe it and it cleans right up. It doesn't have it as much as the regular Tesla factory seats. The bad news is I do have this wear spot in my driver's seat, but I will tell you this, I drive a lot. My car's not even 3 years old yet and I've got 85,000 miles on it. So just goes to show you there's probably a good 40-something thousand miles on these seat covers. So that's me getting in every day, spinning around my driver's position and just wearing it with my jeans and wallet in my back pocket. It's probably the cause. So the good news is that I reached out to TAPTES and showed them pictures of where it's wearing and kind of explained to them what's going on. For them, they have never seen this before. They've, sold thousands of these seat covers and they've never had anyone complain about wearing or peeling on that top layer like I've got. But that being said, maybe I've got more seat hours in this car than the average Tesla user. I don't know. But for whatever it is, they said, no problem, we will send you a replacement seat cover for free. That's right. As long as you contact them within 2 years of buying the seat covers, they will give you a 2-year warranty and replace whatever gets damaged due to natural wear and tear. So that is pretty exciting. And as promised, TAPTES sent me a replacement seat cover. So I will be putting that on to replace the damaged one in my Model 3. So the seats do have a protective layer. I've just kind of been peeling away at this. I'm replacing this seat anyway, so just wanted to kind of show you how it's kind of put together here, but it looks like there's several layers of this, like a plastic type of layer, probably to protect it from stains and make it more water liquid resistant. So let's go ahead and remove this one. I'm going to start by raising up the seat as high as I can. That way I can reach all the straps underneath. All right, so these are what the seats look like underneath the covers. I know some of you were concerned about maybe the backing of this, if it leaves any stains on the seat. These have been on for almost 2 years and it is still looking clean. No stains, no smudges, no scratching of any kind. So they are definitely doing their job. This is the brand new replacement seat cover that they sent out to me under warranty because they're not supposed to peel like that. You're gonna have to disconnect the little straps in the back first. There's 2 up front. And basically you put this piece in the very back under the backrest. These strap underneath the car, so you'll probably get in the back seat to reach under and strap those. And then you fish these through the back seat, up underneath and around to the front where they clip into here, and you're done. And this is the final results of the seat cushion replacement. Looks brand new again. So if you're interested in buying seat covers for yourself, They make them for the Model 3, Model Y, Model X, and Model S. You can get whatever colors you like. If you want a white one that looks identical to the factory seats, you need to select Napa leather, and that will look identical, the color match and everything. That's what I've got here, is the Napa leather white interior seats. They also have black and white. There's all sorts of different combinations you can order. Just check them out at TAPTES. And I'm really happy to confirm that they do have warranty on these. If you ever have any issues like what I've got going on, they will send you a replacement cover for free. And for those of you concerned about side airbags, these do have breakaway points that were designed and engineered into the covers to break free when the airbag deploys. So that's it for today's video. If you like it, let me know by hitting that thumbs up button. If you didn't like it, let me know why, but still hit that thumbs up button. If you want to see more, consider subscribing. If you've got seat covers like this, go ahead and put in the comments below how you've been holding up with them, and are they doing their job? Do you like them? Do you hate them? Mine have been pretty good. My only issue is that wear spot in my driver's seat. Everything else has been perfect though. I recommend them. What do you guys think? That's it for today. Adios.